Hi guys, my name is Lindo. So I undid my hair. You can see that's a mess. So I'm just trying to get my hair into Afro. So I bought the Chebe product. So I undid the hair, I washed it. So now I'm about to apply the cheap product. It has three products. It has the powder, it has the oil, it has some sort of a hair food. So you mix those together in these things that I'm having. Then I'm just going to, I'm just going to tie some knots. I'm going to braid my own hair after applying the solution or the mixture. Then I'm going to just apply it. Yes, the products, they don't smell so good, but well, and I have to stay with these things for like 14 days before I take them off. So well, it's okay. At first I thought maybe no, I won't let these things stay for like a week on my hair, but then I ended up spending like 3 weeks without removing it. So you just mix the products until you feel like they are kind of liquid enough for you to apply them. So you just take a batch of hair, then you spread it around. Some people, they say don't let the thing touch your scalp, but for me, well, I was just applying it everywhere. I applied it, then I'll braid the hair, I'll braid the hand, then I'll just go to another section of hair and do the same thing. So maybe it will be easier for you to get somebody else to do it, but because, well, I am just alone here, I had to do it myself. So we'll see after 3 weeks if this will make any difference. My main concern here is my hairline. Hey, my hairline. It has been damaged for years, so I'm just trying to get that fixed. We'll see how will it go over the next coming weeks. So yeah, bit by bit I'm getting there. It took me, I think, 5 hours for me to complete braiding my own hair. And if you are being braided by someone else, it can probably take less than an hour, because it's easier to do the back if someone else is doing it. But then if you're doing it yourself, it's going to be really difficult. But then, well, anyway, so I'm just going to see at the end of 3 weeks if I'll have to redo the process again, or maybe I should just stick to something else or try something else, right? Okay, so I'm done applying the whole thing now. So you can see that I'm having a little bit of braids, like I'm having some dreadlocks on my hair. Then I'm just going to apply a bit of hair food just to make sure that every place is kind of moisturized. Then after that, let's see each other after 3 weeks. Okay, I'm back now. It has been 3 weeks and I'm about to take off these mini braids I talked about. Yeah, let's just remove them. Okay, let's just remove them. I'm removing them. You can see that the hair is now dry, as much as I've been applying the hair food like over the days. But well, yeah, now this is my hair. You can see, I'm not sure if you're seeing any difference, but then when I'm touching the hair, it feels different. I'm not sure if it feels different because it's still full of the texture from that mixture, or maybe it's just my mindset telling me that it is different. Yeah, this is how it looks like right now. So I have to wash it first and then comb it, then see how everything else looks. But then for now, I'm kind of happy with it. I see an improvement. I do feel the improvement. I do feel the texture of the hair. It feels a little bit richer than what it used to be. Okay, so I'm going to wash the hair. After washing the hair, I'm going to comb it to remove some of the the loose ends. Then after that, well, I don't know, I'll just see what I'm going to do, whether I'm going to reapply it, the mixture, or I'm just going to do another hairstyle. Anyway, yeah, so I did wash the hair, and then this is what it looks like currently. Even my hairline is still bad, but I think I do see a bit of improvement. It doesn't look as bad as it used to be. Once the hair is dried, I'm going to apply this particular hair food from Clicks. It's called Afro. Then, well, yeah, that is it. That is just my first step to my Afro hair.